What's up, guys? Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion back today doing another video. And we're over here by my truck, so let's get in it and I'll flip the camera around. Dash is all taken apart, floor is taken apart. We're all taken apart. We're wiring in the locker. I spent 2 months installing the locker, but now let's make it functionable. So we're going to be doing that, so we're going to need a couple parts, and we're going to help my sister out in her vehicle. She needs some more parts too for hers, so we're going junking. Keith's got some parts. We're going to head over to the junkyard. Tools, parts, same thing. We're going to be heading over to the junkyard and try to find some good stuff. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy today's video. Wiring's kind of boring. I don't know if there'll be any time lapses, but yeah, we also did intake stuff. Going to be getting an intake on there. Like 2 years ago, someone told me to do this mod, and I'm finally doing it. I'll have to find him and comment him and say, hey, I got that mod done. Video's coming in a while. But yeah, so let's head over to the junkyard. All right, we are back from the junkyard now. I didn't film anything at the junkyard, and if you've seen my other videos, I always forget to film at the junkyard. For myself, I got 2 spray nozzles for my hood, and then 2 trim covers for the oh crap handles, the suicide handles, whatever you want to call them.
You don't have any more?
And then I got 3 parts for Elizabeth's vehicle. I already for my sister's vehicle for the 4Runner. I left them. I brought them to her vehicle, and we were test fitting them on there, and I just left them at there. So I got her a battery tie down, and then I got her and 2 trim pieces are right underneath the headlights. So we're gonna go ahead and now that the hood's up, I can show you this. So intake's off. I just barely cleaned the mass airflow sensor, and not the mass airflow sensor, the throttle body. So that's right there, and then I'm gonna put the intake and all that stuff right here back together. Keith is working on taking apart the spray nozzles for the hood to see if these ones that I got will work. They're supposed to have a better spray pattern, or yeah. So we're gonna get to installing. Well, things got a little out of hand now. The seat's out, center console's mostly out. So, doing great. But, you know, she's getting clean. And thanks, Tanner, for letting us borrow this amazing shop vac. This freaking rigid thing's a beast. But, yeah, we're going to continue on. Hopefully get her done today, tomorrow, this weekend. Alright, another update. Thank goodness the work light coming in clutch. We got some sound deadening there, and the center console's out, so I'm actually going to be reinstalling that right now. We got our, let me get the light over here. We got our ATA fuses in right there. I need to wire them up. That means getting more wire. But yeah, that's where we are. Unfortunately, that's how we had to end the weekend. But I didn't have those ATA fuses till like 6 o'clock tonight, and it's a Sunday night, so I didn't have light, and I don't know, it's just a pain in the butt. But here's our schematic. Pretty nice place to put it. So I'll have to go grab wire, and then I should be able to solder everything up. Update. So this is in now. We got some wire out. We ran the wire from the dash going down to the ECU for the locker. It's soldered in. Shout out to my dad. He got me a Milwaukee speaker. So that's freaking awesome. So now we're just putting this in to do the final touches. We got to wire the switch in. I got to do all the grounds, and then we got to do both ATA fuses. So let's get to her. Try to get her done. Hopefully wired today. Update. We got it sound mounted, and there's where the wire is. It's really minimalistic. I don't know how that film turned out because I was touching it and leaning. Now I gotta put the seat back in. Carpet is back in. Looking clean. Freaking phenomenal. This likes to freaking fold down, but that's just a pocket for the wires to go up. So no big deal. Just 4 bolts, get the seat back in, center consoles in, a bolt to get the seat belt back in. Probably put those in right now, but yeah, there's your update. All right, we got her all back together. Tools cleaned up. I don't have the mat in. I did 2 screws there. I still haven't refilled that and everything else. Still, the seats still have dirt in them. But the locker's in. Everything is rebuilt in the engine bay. I don't have an air filter. I need to go grab that. And then I'll be back and do a startup. All right, air filter's in. Light on. Light on. This light works. All right, that's kind of weird. I guess I gotta get my keys out. No starting without keys. Key. Okay, thank goodness, because I have this LED, so guys can actually see. So let me get inside my truck. So as you seen from the last video when it cut out, I tried to start it and it didn't work. I had a bad ground clamp. It is replaced and fixed it off camera, but I gotta at least show you. Okay, let me turn on my dash. I gotta shut the door. It's super bright, and then if I put my keys in the ignition and put your head through the steering wheel, and you look over in the left-hand corner, turn the truck on, it says right rear diff lock. And then if we put it in the on position, it turns off, but then it's glowing down here, and it flashes because it's about to be turning on. So yeah, so both the wiring worked. I'm still debating if I want to put this on my sister's truck, but you know, it works like OEM. It's freaking fantastic. So all right, I don't know if you can see me very well, but yeah, that's the wiring for the locker. Hopefully you enjoyed it. It was not really any time-lapse, but wiring is boring. I'm not gonna be doing videos for that, but lots of wheeling coming this year. I promise you, it's going to be an exciting year on that. Lots of trips. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passion.